Another box. This is a very, very, very giving weekend. My mom's just calling. My mom's calling you guys. We are moving. And I apologize for actually, I don't apologize for my emotions. This is a very, very emotional weekend for me on many levels. I'm just utterly thankful and grateful for so much. And y'all are ready for Halloween, but I am just ready for Thanksgiving. I am so thankful. I am just so thankful. My son is gonna be 4 years old tomorrow. It is October 19th, 2024. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And pardon my, okay, so these two, okay, so we have this is, I believe, the Crimson Queen with like another growth here. The Hoya Lee. And it's the queen wears the crown and the princess wears the gown. That's what I remember and recall. I'm not sure, I'm still not sure what this one is. But I know that looks like a Crimson Queen leaf. Oh my gosh. And so this is a variegated, oh my gosh, this is a variegated Hindu rope. Oh my goodness, guys. It's just, I am so utterly, 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 utterly thankful. This is my Hoya haul of dreams, my dream of dreams, Hoya haul. Dream of dreams, Hoya haul. This is gonna be part 2 because look at her. I'm gonna save the synthetic filler because, guys, I understand now, okay? Look at how beautiful she is. Oh my goodness. She's got, and this is the queen. No, this is the rope, the Hindu rope, the Carnosa Hindu rope. Guys, correct me on these names. And we also received the Spiritus Sancti replacement, which I'm going to go ahead and put her in the Spanish spectrum moss. And all of these come beautifully in these beautiful little tiny pots. But look at how beautiful she is. I am excited. Look at that. She's got a couple of little dead leaves here. Don't mind the plucking. But look at that little pink venation in there. Oh my gosh. That's the Carnosa. Oh my gosh. And she's like in a 2-inch pot. She is very miniature. Okay. And we got another one here too. Yeah. Variegated Hoya compacta Hindu rope. She looks like the queen though, but she's a compacta. And she's just in here in this packaging. I thought there was another, but I did also order the queen. She's not it. Guys, comment below on this one because this one came free with the Hoya Lee. And I really don't, besides this one leaf that I kind of recognize as the Crimson Queen, I can't make out what she says. And it looks like the Hoya, it's a sample, I believe, is what it says from the top. That's what I understood. A Sammy, so a sample. It says Hoya, and I can't make out what that says there, but it's Sosa. So I will reach out to the seller and see exactly what genius or category she is. She is obviously a Hoya. And she is so beautiful. You guys, this has turned into a beautiful unboxing. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy festivities, fall festivities for you all. I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day. Until next time, love your plants. Stay blessed. And until next time, until the next unboxing, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you and be blessed.